Get ready to marvel at this beautiful First Texas home. At just over 4,100 square feet, this magnificent 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath Hillwood floor plan comes loaded with architectural design that will take your breath away. As you enter this spectacular home, you can't help but gaze at the remarkable entryway, high vaulted ceilings, and adjacent formal dining area perfect for family gatherings. Just past the curved staircase is a wide-open living area that features a custom stone fireplace. Right off the living area, you'll find the kitchen of your dreams with custom cabinetry, granite countertops, a large chef's island, stainless steel appliances, and you can also look forward to brighter mornings in the breakfast nook with its large bay windows. The private master suite includes high ceilings and great architectural details. As you walk in the master bath, you'll notice the upgraded granite countertops, a walk-in shower, dual vanities, a deep garden tub that is perfect for relaxing. If you love to entertain, the Hillwood floor plan includes a large game room and can be customized with an optional media room for family movie night and watching your favorite sporting events. The second floor includes 4 large bedrooms and 3 baths with plenty of space for the entire family. Downstairs, you'll find a large, quiet study tucked away for your privacy and convenience. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans. We can build you this floor plan or any of our others in almost every First Texas Homes community.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.